All right, everybody. Look right there. Every time I do these videos, I always got some type of light. Watch this. Yeah. See it go up and down? They're not even touching nothing, okay? Watch this. Yeah. Yeah, it's so cool. All right, so it goes negative. So there's the blink. I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty. So we got 1 minute and 30 seconds. So that one goes negative here, and then, yeah. So my body outputs about 7 to 10 times the amount of power that a normal human does. So when a normal person touches one of these things, it's going to show maybe 3 to 4. When I grab a hold of one of them, like this, 13. All right, see, a normal, relax. See, okay, so it's like negative, positive there. Watch, it does not matter. See, it don't matter. So, bring that bad boy up. Yes, sir. Oh, boy. Well, maybe a little bit more than that. So, grab this other one real quick before the video runs out.